Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install SiriusXM app on your device. If you're on your phone in iOS or Android, you can install it from the official App Store or Google Store, but if not, you can search for the official SiriusXM website in your laptop or any browser. Now you will need to select the official application. If you're on your mobile devices, you can download and install the app, and once installation is complete, you can open the app and sign in with your account. Now, if you do not have a subscription, you will need to create an account and choose a plan before accessing premium content. Here you can see different plans which contains sports, news, and talks, and you can even get all three of those accesses. Also, depending on your region, the app may not be available for download. And that's it. That's how to install SiriusXM app on your device. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.